welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be testing out Model Magic and Daiso Clay. Let me know in the comments what clay do you guys think will make a better butter slime. And we're also so close to 200,000, so make sure to tell all your friends to subscribe for a huge slime supply giveaway. And let's just go ahead and get started. The first butter slime I'm going to be making today is with Daiso Clay. I'm starting off with a bowl and some PVA glue. Next, I'm adding in a touch of clear PVA glue, and I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, along with some foaming hand soap, lotion, and shaving cream. And I wanted this slime to be pink, so I added in some pink food coloring and mixed that all together. Next, you're going to gradually add in your slime activator. In my case, I'm using some borax. And now is my favorite part, mixing in the clay. So I'm using 1 box of white Daiso clay, and I'm just adding that to my slime. This butter slime is very airy and very soft. Overall, I really love the texture. The next clay I'm going to be testing out is Model Magic. So I'm starting off with a bowl and some PVA glue once again. This is the same recipe as the last slime, so I'm adding in a touch of clear PVA glue, some cornstarch, lotion, foaming hand soap, shaving cream, and this time 2 drops of blue food coloring. And I'm gradually adding in my borax activator. Since Model Magic is very tough and not stretchy, we're also adding in some lotion to this. And continue to mix that into your slime. I'm also adding in some iridescent purple glitters and some purple foam beads. I'd say this slime is more of a thick clay slime, but I still really liked it. And now I'm going to be comparing the 2 butter slimes. In my opinion, I prefer the Daiso Clay butter slime, but I also really like the Model Magic clay. And this one is a time lapse within 1 minute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to check out my social medias and my vlog channel, which will be in the description box. Comment down below some video suggestions so I know what you guys want to see next. And once again, subscribe to my channel so we can hit 200,000 subscribers for that huge slime supply giveaway. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!